Planning a trip to Italy? Here are the must-try foods you can't miss. First, there's pizza in Naples. This is where pizza was born. It's soft, light, and baked in a hot oven with fresh mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil. Simple but delicious. Next, homemade pasta. In Italy, pasta is a big deal. Each region has its own style, from creamy pasta in Rome to meaty sauces in Bologna. For dessert, you have to try gelato. It's like ice cream, but smoother and more flavorful. Try pistachio or hazelnut for a real treat. And don't miss out on the cheese and wine. Whether it's pecorino cheese in Tuscany or Parmesan in other regions, pair it with a local wine like Chianti or Prosecco. Be sure to taste these amazing foods. They're a huge part of the experience. Ready to explore Italy? Book your culinary adventure with Tour Italy now and taste the best Italy has to offer.